How do I access archive chat on ChatGPT? Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will guide you that how can you access your archive chat on ChatGPT. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to visit the official website of ChatGPT. So the URL will be like chatgpt.com. So after you come on this official site of ChatGPT, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on this sidebar icon just at the top left corner. So simply tap on it. Alright, so now from the sidebar section, you'll have to choose the conversation or chat whom you want to archive. So I'm choosing this one. Alright, so after you chosen the conversation or chat, you will got options like three dots. So simply tap on that three dot just at the right hand section of that conversation. So simply tap on it. And now from here, you can easily get that options like archive. So simply tap on that. So now to access or view that archive chat, you'll have to just tap on that sidebar. And now from here, you'll have to tap on your profile or account just at the bottom. So simply tap on your account. Okay, so from here, you'll have to tap on settings. And now from here, you can easily get that options like archive chat. So simply you have to go with the option archive chat. Like you can also go with that option manage or archive all. So you have to go with the option manage. And now from here, you can easily access or view the archive chat on ChatGPT. So from here, you can delete this archive chat from here. So in this way, you can access or delete the archive chat on ChatGPT. So this is the process. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.